If you like movies as much as me, and you were born, well, more years ago than you want to admit, you have several of these big suckers at home or at your parents' house. It's easy enough to transfer their content onto a computer, but disposing of videocassettes can be an issue, especially when you have hundreds of them. I still keep some for sentimental value, or because they are a version of a movie that doesn't exist anymore. But the rest? There's no recycling bin for VHS tapes, so what can we do with them? Come to think of it, no one in their right mind would still use videocassettes today. But I am not, so that makes perfect sense. What struck me the other day is the similarity in size between a VHS and a hard drive. Could we fit one into the other? Unfortunately, no. A 3.5-inch drive is slightly too big, but a 2.5-inch one will definitely fit. And I can use the extra space for a crazy little idea that I just had. The storage capacity of these small hard drives is naturally lower than their bigger brothers, but is steadily increasing. So, among other bits and pieces, some perspex I found, a few cables and LEDs, I'm going to reuse the electronics of a data USB portable drive and a newer high-capacity hard disk. Let's experiment a little, shall we? Okay, so as you saw, I kept the opening flap system. Inside the VCR, this little button gets pressed and the lock mechanism is released. As a kid, I always thought this was a cool feature, and I decided to keep it, to hide and protect the drive connection and to preserve the look and feel of an original VHS tape. And yes, I placed a piece of old magnetic tape inside for old time's sake. When in operation, that tag lights up. I can change the tag easily, just like some Western Digital external drives, although in a much more original way. You might be wondering why I chose the big printer-like USB 3 connector called Type B instead of the usual flat standard plug found on all external drives. Well, for two main reasons. The first, I just can't stand these! They're too small, too delicate, difficult to plug in, you never know which way to go in, and I found them prone to breaking with repeated use. The second, well, I've got some awesome future plans for my VHDDs. Keep following my crazy mods and you'll see.
Episode titles, practical effects, tape noise. What the hell? Ah! No! Help me! Help me! Help me!